Introduce highlight features and quick overview of XUSHIDZ car camera front and rear dual lens drive recorder dashboard with SD card. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Never miss a new clip from our channel. You can press to subscribe us and press the bell. Look for all. Press to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Highlight features or overview summary are include 1920x 1080p at 30 fps video enabled to capture every road conditions and license plates details. 3-inch super large LCD display that can shows the real-time image. Car dashcam helps you see every details as clear as possible when playing back. Dual dashcams automatically recording at the same time when you start the engine, vividly captures the license plates and road signs. Wide-angle front 170-degree and rear 130-degree camera provide outstanding image quality with a broader field of vision. The rear cam is waterproof, can be installed outside. The combination of f2.0 aperture and WDR technology enhances the clarity of images. It makes night shots brighter and prevents overexposure. Car camera obtains crystal clear and color-accurate video at pitch dark night. Dual lens dashcam for cars built-in G sensor, locks the footage when detects a sudden shake/collision. Seamless loop recording, automatically overwrites the unprotected files when the card reaches the capacity. Motion detection and parking mode, protects your cars after parked. Please turn off the motion detection and parking monitor function when driving. This full HD dashcam is straightforward to install and operate. The included suction mount could be easily attached anywhere on your windshield in seconds. The 32GB SD card has been installed in the dashcam and only needs to be connected to the power supply. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell. Look for all. Press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.